So, if you want to edit or fix the gaps that you're seeing in the mobile version of your Wix website, well, there are a few things that you may want to do or you may want to check here. So, first things first is you want to go and just edit or access your Wix website here and basically click on the switch to mobile for your editor. So that should basically show you your mobile version of your Wix website. So let's just wait for a while here to load it up. Now, once it's actually loaded up, we're now ready to start fixing those gaps. First things first, you want to make sure that certain sections like you've added in your desktop version of your website are actually hidden. Now, the great thing about Wix here is if there are sections like we want to hide, like this empty section here that I have right now, I can actually hide that. So if you really need that in your desktop version, you just hide this in your mobile. So, by the way, if you do delete certain content or elements in here, this will also reflect that on your in your desktop version. So that's why it's not recommended to delete them. So at the right side, once you've selected the strip or the section that you have right now, so an empty space in here, just click on the hide section from mobile here, and that will be hidden on your mobile website. Now, also, if you still notice like some empty sections in here or gaps in your website, well, if you click on that specific section, as you can see right now, this is a section here. You should notice that there's a line in here. Now, if you press and hold this and drag it above, that would actually reduce the size of that gap. And this is the max that we can actually do in here. So there's like certain elements or certain like spaces needed for certain sections in here, so that's why you won't be able to push forward with this one. But yeah, so in this case, just make sure to double check a few things in here. If you do like see gaps, just make sure that you move them around. Like for example, certain elements requires you to like move around slideshows, as you can see, or different elements in here. Sometimes some of them you won't be able to drag do like what I did before, so you may need to manually move certain elements in order for you to really like have that compact look. So yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.